Understanding, don't compromise, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, don't compromise. This phrase is common in English, and understanding it can really help in both everyday and professional situations. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp of what it means and how to use it effectively. So, let's dive in. Don't compromise might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. The word compromise means to make concessions or to accept standards that are lower than desirable. When someone says, don't compromise, they are essentially advising you not to settle for less than what you desire or deserve. It's often used in situations where maintaining your standards or beliefs is important. To better understand, don't compromise, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal standards. If your friend is unsure about accepting a job that doesn't meet their career goals, you might say, don't compromise on your career aspirations. 2. Relationships. Advising someone not to settle for a partner who doesn't treat them well, you could say, don't compromise on your happiness. 3. Negotiations. In business, if someone is tempted to agree to unfavorable terms, a colleague might remind them, don't compromise your company's interests. Understanding, don't compromise, is crucial because it's about upholding your values and standards. It's a powerful statement about self-respect and integrity. In English-speaking cultures, this phrase is often used to encourage someone to stay true to their principles, especially in challenging situations. Here are some tips on using don't compromise. Be empathetic. Use it to support others, showing that you understand their situation. Stay positive. Frame it in a way that emphasizes positive outcomes, like achieving goals or maintaining self-respect. Know your audience. This phrase is best used in contexts where the listener is contemplating a decision that might affect their standards or values. That's all on the phrase, don't compromise. Remember, it's all about not settling for less than what you deserve or believe in. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video, and remember, don't compromise on your journey to mastering English.